Reporters, journalists who came here. uh, Today, we have reached in such a level that we are bound to make a press meet, a joint press meet with two organizations and a press club. Today, with the convener of the Kumulong Press Club and the two other Kokborok media organizations. One is Tripura Indigenous Peoples Press Association, that is TIPA, and Tripura Photo Media Association, TPMA. Two media organizations and under the Kumulong Press Club, we have to make today the press meet based on two topics. At first, I'll be giving some introductions. Then we have with me here the Secretary of Kumulong Press Club, Mr. Ranjit Deparma, and we have the Treasurer of Kumulong Press Club, Mr. Romela Deparma, and the Vice President, Mr. Nipen Deparma. And from TIPA also we have the President, Mr. Gautam Deparma, and the TIPA Secretary, Mr. Benjamin Deparma, and from TPM also we have Secretary, Romela Deparma, and many others from the organization. Okay, let's start. What's going on in Astable ground, that is the movement for Roman script. We are the one who are facing the real problems and the practical problems. When we go to write the news, also we have to write in Roman scripts. So we, from the three of us, all of us, we support this movement for the Kokborok, which is going in Astable ground. And just to take the examples, we can see, means whenever we open Facebook, we can open in multiple languages. Even the Biharis, even the Telugus, even everyone. We have the options for switching onto Bengali language, to Tamil language, Hindi language everywhere. But maximum, more than 90%, we can see everyone is switching onto Roman script, onto English. So this is the trend. And the maximum people are now trying to opt to study in English medium schools. And this is now 2023. And we say that this is the need of the hour, and we demand for the Roman script, and we support all this. And being the media organizations and the media persons, it is not that we need to go and sit there, but through our news, through interviews, through different, we support the movement. And the second thing is that recently there are lots of news that are going viral in the social medias, especially Facebook, YouTube, and such all kinds of things. We can see the ethics of media is getting lost, especially among the Kokborok media news. We can see some slang languages are being used, which are very much inappropriate to hear in front of the parents and the guardians. And there are many different kinds of scenes that are very not good. So, being the media persons, I suggest and I want to say to all that we need to follow the ethics, because we are responsible for the society. Whatever we cover, it just reflects upon the society. We are like a mirror. We can see ourselves in front of the eyes. Whatever we saw, the society sees. Because of some of the few persons, some of the few reporters, some of the few content creators. Now all the Kokborok media persons are getting blamed that all the Kokborok media persons are slightly misleading the lines. And in the few coming days, we will also demand for organizing on behalf of the Kumulong Press Club for more workshops, so that we can make the more Kokborok media persons understand the real ethics.